Here's a quick example of how AutoFill works in Google Sheets. This is today's date. That's just so you'll know when this video gets outdated. Number of the day, 3. If you click on the cell, you'll see a little square appears in the bottom right corner. If you get your mouse directly over it, it turns into a crosshair. Click the crosshair, drag it down, and you see it duplicates the number for you. In each cell is just the number 3 right now. You can also tell that's what's in the formula bar up here. It works differently if we try to extend it on a sequence. So if I select these two cells, let the mouse change, drag it down, it's smart enough to say, oh, those increased one at a time, and it gives you all the consecutive numbers. It's pretty smart. If you start with 2 and 4, does what you might expect, gives you all the even numbers. Here we have a formula. You can see it's B2 plus C2. So it's adding 3 and 1, and it's showing you the result is 4. If you click down on this, you see the numbers 5, 6, 7. Double clicking here shows you that it made the formula B4 plus C4, so it was smart enough to say, oh, we want to add up everything in this row, not just the stuff that was in the first row. That's how AutoFill works in Google Sheets. If you had to do something a little different, sometimes you can use what's called absolute referencing and put dollar signs in your formula. If I put a dollar sign here, that means always keep it at row 2. So if I fill this down, it's adding B2 each time to row C5. The dollar sign is what makes it not change in case you want AutoFill not to automatically adjust for every single row. You can look up the absolute referencing, which is the use of the dollar sign. One more quick thing that's nice to know, if you click on a date and drag it down, it gives you all the dates in order. That's it. Thanks.